Okay, so today I'm just going to show you how to set up the Odensvink, which is the IKEA product, with drawers and unit fixed to the wall, and then the porcelain sink pretty much on top. First of all, obviously you want to get your height right. It's sitting at 830 millimeters. With the level, I've got it sitting on 2 boxes with all my pipework coming up from the floor in this particular instance. And as a final measurement, I am going to just show you that it is sitting 830 with a level on the background. Positioned in the bathroom exactly obviously where you want it, from right to left. Then taking a pencil, you mark up the 4 holes that you need to drill in the wall. I'm going to be drilling into porcelain tiles to fix this. Porcelain, obviously a very heavy and robust material, which needs a special diamond core drill bit, which you can get. I'll put it into the description in the links below. You can buy it on Amazon, Screwfix, anywhere you like. I'm using a Metabo multi-drill, which gives me variable speed settings. And as you can see, I'm dipping the drill bit into water so that when I'm drilling the actual hole into the porcelain tile, it is not going to blunt the drill bit as fast as if I wouldn't use water. So the water just acts as a lubricant onto the diamond drill bit. You need to hold the drill at an angle when you're starting off, just to get the cut into the porcelain tile. As I say, it's a very hard material. A normal drill won't drill these tiles. They will not drill. So that's why you need to have a porcelain bit. It does take time. It takes quite a while to drill into these, and I'm going to show you drilling one hole. Obviously afterwards I've drilled all 4. So there is quite a bit of pressure behind the drill once you get your hole started, and then you need to push through till you get to the other side of the tile, which you'll actually hear it when you've completed through the tile. Then I use an ordinary masonry drill bit to finish off the plug into the background material, which in this case was plasterboard, onto a brick wall. After that, I would insert my roll plugs. I usually use Fisher roll plugs because I find them to be the best. Again, I'll put it in the description below. You can get them online, Amazon, Screwfix, decent products. So now I've pretty much put my roll plugs in, and I'm just going to affix the second part of the bracket, which comes with the Odensvink. And they give you these special brackets and screws, which you just screw in, and it virtually clamps it to the wall in the right position. These particular ones went in very smoothly, no problems at all, and yeah, it was a good installation. So I'm just going to finish these up. Obviously, when you're working through the back of a unit to affix them onto the wall, it's you need to have good posture. I always wear glasses when I'm doing these things, as glasses protect your eyes from any shards that might fly up from the screw head, or when you're drilling, anything that can actually fly up from the hole that you're drilling, so that's really important. I also use gloves when I'm drilling, not so much when I'm handling screws, because you need the dexterity of your fingers to hold the screw usually, and gloves just don't give you that touch. So as you can see, all level, still holding level, and then what I'll do is remove the boxes, and yeah, installation of that particular piece finished. So the next part is going to be the building of the porcelain sink unit with the taps and the flexible hoses. So if you can subscribe, like the video, that would be wonderful, and move on to the next one. Okay, thank you.